How to fill up all Indonesia arrival card. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. If you're traveling to Bali or Jakarta soon, you need to watch this video very carefully. There's a new mandatory rule that started in September 2025. The old electronic custom declaration and Satu That, I guess that's Indonesian word, health pass are officially gone. They have been replaced by one single form called the All Indonesia Arrival Card. You must fill out this to generate the QR code or you'll be stuck at the airport. But also there's a warning. Dozens of fake websites are now popping up trying to charge you $30 to $50 to fill up this form. This form is 100% free. Do not pay anything. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find the official government website and fill out step by step so you don't lose any money. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do, go to Google and then search for All Indonesia Arrival Card. So when you search for that, most likely you're going to see this website on top. If you do not see the website ending .go.id, that means that's a fake website. That's not a real government of Indonesia website. So for example, there are many other websites you're going to see, but if you click on these, then they're going to charge you, or some website may even scam you to take your personal information. So in order to find the real government of Indonesia website, look for the URL ending .go.id. So let's click on this and see what's happening. Okay, so here it says that traveler ready to explore Indonesia. So it looks like a government of Indonesia website. Now, if you do not see this in English, then you have to change the language here. For example, Indonesia and English. You might see a different language. That means by default, it's just showing Indonesian language. So you have to just change it to English. And also you see that there's the notification right here, that Indonesia government website. So this is the real website. Now, here it tells you what type of arrival card you require to submit. So for example, most of you are going to be foreign visitors. So you're going to click on foreign visitors. Now, if you need to update any information later on, then you have to come back here and click on retrieve arrival card, and then you'll be able to update some information, but not everything. I believe you will not be able to update passport information because some countries do not let you, but for Indonesia that might be the case. But except that, you should be able to update everything else. So let's click on here. Now this is the form you need to fill out, and we're going to do step by step here together. So the first thing you're seeing is personal information, and lead traveler is kind of the main traveler. Okay, so passport, please use the same passport as for other immigration service applications. Now, passport, select passport country. So for me, this is going to be Canada. And if you have to just enter your own country right here. Now, full name, I'm just going to enter a not real name, because I don't want my real name to go to government of Indonesia. But my real name is Ahmed Dawn, but I'm just going to put here Adam Bondon. Okay, so now place of birth. So sorry, date of birth. So I'm going to put let's say May 15, 1975 or 76, doesn't matter. And then country of birth. So you're just going to put your country of birth. I'm going to put here Canada. And gender, I'm going to put male. And passport number. So here I'm just going to put a dummy passport number. Is, for example, AD5689. Hopefully the system is going to accept it. It will not give us trouble. And passport expiration date. So here I'm going to put May, let's say May 15, 2030. 2030. So that should be good enough. Now, account information. Enter your correct information properly and correctly. So now here you need to have an email address or mobile phone number. So I think it's going to create an account, or it will email you some the QR code. So mobile number for Canada, I'm going to enter 416-123-4567 and email address. So I have an email address which I use for tutorial purposes. And I'm just going to copy this from here. And by the way, this is not my real email. This is just for training or information purposes. So enter here. I'm just going to put in here and click on next. Okay. So they took the passport information, which is fine. Now you're going to enter travel details. Now, please complete your arrival card before entering Indonesia by filling out the required information. Date of arrival. Now here, today is 26, so I'm just going to put, let's say, 28, and month would be 11, 2025. Okay. Departure date from Indonesia. So here I'm just going to put in 15 December 2025. Do we already have a visa? No. You can apply for a visa on arrival after you have completed the arrival card, which is fine. Oh, guys, I'm sorry. They do have a calendar, which I didn't even see before. Okay, so here, that's what I was going to mention you, that if you're arriving after 28, let's say you're arriving on the 29th, then you'll not be able to complete this form. Then you have to wait till tomorrow. So it only allows you 72 hours timeline. So that's something you need to remember. Now let's click on next. Okay, mode of transportation and address. Okay, so here definitely is going to be air, and purpose of travel is going to be tourism, and let's see, holidays, sightseeing. We can click on that. The field in this section are based on the selected air transport. Place of arrival is going to be Jakarta, and actually it's giving you the address code. So I think Jakarta would be JK. Okay, so I'm not sure what is the address code for Jakarta, but I'm just going to put in I'll just put this one. And type of air transportation is commercial flight. Flight name, I'm going to put here Air Canada. Okay, so where is Air Canada? Air Canada right here. Flight number 55. Address in Indonesia. So here you have to provide your hotel address. So I just jot down JW Marriott in Jakarta, and I'm going to put it in here. Select residence type hotel, and here name of the hotel. So I think if you enter the name, it's going to find it, the system, and you can see that it found it right away. Oh, why it's not JW? Okay, I thought I saw it, JW Marriott. So I have a feeling it has to be one of these two. So I'll just put the first one, and it populated the nearest immigration office. Now we are going to click next. And here declaration. So health declaration. In accordance with Indonesian national health protocols, complete the health declaration form to support public health, to monitor and prevent the spread of diseases. Okay. Do you have any of the following symptoms? Fever, cough, this or that? I would say no. Countries of origin, departure, transit, and other countries that you have visited within 21 days before departure to Indonesia. So for me, this one would be from Canada to Indonesia. I don't think we have direct flight. We have to go via Japan, or let's say Malaysia. So countries of origin, departure, transit, and other countries within 21 days. So I'm just going to start with Canada, and let me see if it allows other country. Let's say I had a stopover in Malaysia, and Okay, so I got it. So here, that's how you have to keep adding all the countries you have visited 21 days before your departure to Indonesia. Sorry, other countries that you visited 21 days and you had transit. So like, for me, I haven't visited any other countries except like, let's say I had a layover in Malaysia. So I'm going to put Canada and Malaysia.
Quarantine.
Declaration, please fill out the declaration according to your current condition, which will be verified by the officers. Are you carrying any animal, fish, plant, and this? No. And custom declaration of goods carried by passenger crew member. Please press the button to read the following information before answering any questions below. So you press the button and it's just telling you that, if you're carrying these things, then you can go through the information. So I'm just going to close this. Number of baggage arriving with you. So I'm going to put in 1. Are you bringing any goods that need to declare at customs? I'm going to put in no. And here it just gives you like kind of explanation. So I'm going to put in no. Now, the applicant hereby certify that I understand and agree to all the terms and conditions. So yes, submit, and let's see what happens. Please check your form again. Okay, so looks like, I missed this one here. No. Okay, so submit. Okay, so it's just verifying. You have to enter 4599 and verify. And I think you're going to get an email. So, submission summary. The following is the data you enter when you apply for an arrival card. History from an infected country. Okay, individual, this and that. Details of profile. Okay, so basically that's it. And I don't know why it's saying that history from an infected country. It could be that, they have either Canada or Malaysia on some kind of list, but I don't think it's an issue. However, you need this QR code and you can download here, or you should have a copy in your email, which we are checking right now. And you can see that we got an QR code, and let's see what's happening here. Thank you for completing all Indonesia application. We are pleased to inform that your data has been successfully processed. Use the QR code below as proof of completion. It must be presented upon your arrival in Indonesia. So guys, basically that's it. That's all you need to do. So it's very simple. Takes not even like 10 minutes. I'd say 7 minutes or so. And or maybe if you're a little bit reading everything, then it could take 10 minutes. So I recommend doing this before your departure so you don't have hassle at the airport. And this is how you complete the arrival card for Indonesia, which is called All Indonesia application. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.